First, Article 14. It deals with equality before law. Article 14 deals with equality before law. It is the first fundamental right assured to the people of India. It comes under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with fundamental rights. So, Article 14, equality. Next, Article 15. It deals with prohibition of discrimination. Prohibition of discrimination based on caste, religion, sex, place of birth, etc. But under this article, government can make special provisions for women and children and also for a group of citizens which are socially and economically backward. So, Article 15, prohibition of discrimination. Next, Article 17. It is very important. Article 17 deals with abolition of untouchability. What is untouchability? It is the practice of ignoring or rejecting a group of people from the mainstream by social custom. For example, the untouchables or Dalits are prohibited from eating with other caste members. They are prohibited from entering into dominant caste homes, etc. So such untouchability practices considered as offense and they are punishable by law. This article was adopted by the Constituent Assembly with the slogan Mahatma Gandhi Ki Jai. So the slogan Mahatma Gandhi Ki Jai related to which article? Article 17. Article 17 deals with abolition of untouchability. Next, Article 19. It deals with right to freedom. It deals with the protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. There are 6 fundamental freedoms. Article 19, freedom. Next, Article 21. It deals with right to life and personal liberty. Article 21. Right to privacy also comes under this article. Next, Article 21A. It deals with right to education. According to this article, the state shall provide free and compulsory education for the children between 6 and 14 years of age. This Article 21, right to education, included into Fundamental Right by 86th Amendment Act 2002. Right to Education Act came into force on 1st April 2010. Next, Article 24. Article 24 deals with prohibition of child labor, prohibition of employment of children in factories, mines, etc. So, Article 24 deals with prohibition of child labor. Next, Article 32. It deals with right to constitutional remedies for the enforcement of fundamental rights by the Supreme Court. It is an important article in the Indian Constitution, Article number 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called this article as fundamental of fundamental rights and the heart and soul of Indian Constitution. Next, Article 40. It deals with organization of village panchayats. Article 40 also mandate for the establishment for Panchayat Raj institutions in India. Article 40, organization of village panchayats. Next, Article 44. It deals with Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code is very necessary for a secular India. For a secular India, Uniform Civil Code is very important. So the same laws are valid for every citizen without taking religion into consideration. Goa is the only state in India that has uniform civil code. Next, Article 48A, another important article. It deals with protection of environment. Protection of environment. And this article is inserted into the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. It comes under Part 4, that is Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 48A, Protection and Improvement of Environment and Safeguarding of Forest and Wildlife. Next, Article 51A. It deals with fundamental duties. It comes under Part 4A. It is a new part which is inserted by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. There are 11 fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution. Next, Article 79. It deals with Parliament. Parliament is the highest law-making body in India. It consists of President, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. Indian Parliament is bicameral. The Parliament building is elliptical in shape. This article says that there shall be a parliament for the union which shall consist of the president and 2 houses, council of states and the house of the people. It comes under Part 5, the union. Article 79, Constitution of Parliament. Next, Article 80. It deals with composition of the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha was formed on 3rd April 1952. It is also known as House of Elders. Its maximum strength is 250. Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. So, Article 80 deals with Rajya Sabha. Next, Article 81. It deals with Lok Sabha, that is House of the People. It is constituted on 17th April 1952. Maximum strength 552. Speaker is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. Next, Article 112. 112. It deals with annual financial statement or budget. Annual financial statement which contains the statement of the estimated income and expenditure of the government in respect of each financial year. Financial year in India starts from 1st April to 31st March. The word budget is not used in the Constitution. So, Article 112 deals with annual financial statement, commonly called as budget. Next, Article 343. It deals with the official language of the Union. It deals with the official language of the Union. This article says that the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. The form of numerals to be used for the official purposes of the Union shall be the international form of Indian numerals. Next, Article 370. It deals with the special provision or special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It comes under Part 21 of the Constitution, which deals with temporary, transitional and special provisions. Thank you.